Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by prepping the camera and phone so pairing succeeds on the first try. Plug in and charge the camera above 50%, then move it close to the router, within 3 to 6 meters, to avoid dropouts. On your phone, install the official app and sign in. Enable Bluetooth and location permissions since many apps use them for discovery. Once done, put the camera into pairing or AP mode by pressing the designated button so the phone can detect it immediately. Next, connect the camera to your phone through the app so the device gets network access. Open the app and tap Add Device. Either scan the camera QR code or pick the model from the list for guided setup. Make sure to input your routers too. 4 GHz SSID and password exactly, because most cameras won't join a 5 GHz network. If scanning fails, switch to AP mode. Temporarily join the camera's hotspot, then hand the Wi-Fi credentials back to the camera through the app. Finally, confirm the connection and secure the camera so it performs reliably. Once the camera appears in the app, open the live stream to check video and audio, then rename the device and set a strong admin password to prevent unauthorized access. Make sure to apply any firmware updates the app suggests and configure motion detection, notifications, and recording schedules. If the camera won't connect, reboot it and retry AP mode. Perform a factory reset only after you've backed up settings or tested other options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.